Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the REALHER I Am Complete Brow Setting Gel, which is why, if you notice, I only have one of my brows filled in, because when I try out brow gels, I like to test them out with and without my regular pencil in my brow. And so this is one of the products that I got in my October 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag, which if you still haven't seen that unbagging video yet, that is up here on my YouTube channel. And so I got this in the shade Clear. I thought this was a sample size because it's pretty small, but it turns out this is full size and it retails for $16, which seems a little expensive for this small of a product, but this is cruelty-free. And a clear brow gel sounds like it should be pretty simple, easy, quick, but there have been some clear brow gels that I really have not loved. So I'm just very picky when it comes to brow products, so I'm excited to put this to the test. I use a clear brow gel every day, so I'm hoping that this will, meet my expectations. First, looking at the wand here, it looks pretty good. It's pretty small, which is what I prefer in my brow gel wands. I want them to be very small and precise. And first, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the brow without any pencil, so we can just really see how it looks alone. And realistically, I don't even want to be able to see it because I don't want it to leave texture or clumping, flaking, anything like that. What I really want my clear brow gel to do is help define the brow hairs and just give more of a full natural look that also has good hold to it. So it seems like it's doing all of that so far. We'll have to let it dry down. It definitely feels very wet, but it doesn't look textured in the brow at all. So off to a good start. While I let that dry down, I'm going to go ahead and brush it through the brow with the pencil. And I'm looking for all the same things as long as it doesn't smudge or remove the pencil. I feel like it does a pretty good job of getting all of the brow hairs. I think it does go on a little clumpy in some places, so you have to brush through. Like, it definitely does go on very wet feeling, which is okay as long as it dries down in a good way. But this does seem to be pretty good over the pencil. It doesn't really seem to be altering the pencil underneath. And I feel like it is kind of fluffing up the brow hairs, which is nice, kind of volumizing them. Let's see if it's dried down on the other. Not yet. It's a very wet gel. Hopefully it does dry down. I feel like I need to fan it. I've never had such a long dry time with a brow gel. But at least, even with all of the product that I applied, it feels like a lot, it doesn't look noticeable in the brow. I think this is pretty much dry now. And it's not crunchy, it's not flaky, and it has a good hold. Ooh, I really like the feel of that. Now in the brow with the pencil, I just feel like it's still a little wet, but it is really nice. It feels soft. Almost like I'm surprised it has such good hold because there's no crunchiness to it. So, wow, I really like this. And how it helped to make the brow hairs just look fuller as well. Wow, this might be one of my favorite REALHER products. This is exactly what I like in a brow gel, in a clear brow gel. If you are looking for a good clear brow gel that has good hold, flexible, nice feel to it, I really recommend this. This could be a product that I wouldn't be surprised to see as like an Ipsy add-on for a really good price, in which case, yeah, this would be a great product to snag. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.